Okay guys, sorry about that. My dad wanted me to tell him some stuff about computers and let him help, so I thought, well, fair enough. So again, I'm sorry about that. But the computer's on, the LEDs are working. I'm installing Windows fresh from this DVD drive that won't actually fit in because the adapter it needs, because it's IDE, which just won't fit in there. So I'm gonna get a SATA one and put it in there. So once it's installed Windows, that's just gonna go, and then when we get a new one, I'll put it in. But my sister's home now, so I'm gonna need to be a bit quiet. So I'll let this install Windows. So it's a few days after my sister's birthday, and she's got it all set up in her room. It looks pretty nice, it works all well. It's up and running down in the little space down there. Got the monitor up here, it's a 19-inch Samsung. And new phone, as you can probably tell, but that's another video. So got the M185 in blue. We've got the Logitech keyboard, which I can't remember what the model number is, but yeah, she's got my old wireless adapter just because I thought that because at the back of there it's not going to have very good signal, so I've given that one to her. So we could do a speed test, I suppose. She won't download Chrome, she's staying with Internet Explorer, she's adamant. I've tried. It's hard to type and keep still at the same time, sorry. Oh, she ain't got Flash yet. I'll install Flash and I'll get back. Okay, so I've had a better idea. Instead of doing a speed test, which is nothing really to do with the computer, it's about the internet speed, I thought, let's do a little benchmark. Just got rid of it. Let's open it back up. With MSI Combustor. And I just wanted to point out that before I gave it to her, I was checking all the temperatures and stuff because of the heatsink. I wanted to see if it was okay. I don't think this is right for an A4 4000 on the stock heatsink. I just really doubt this. And also, there we go. It always says that the integrated GPU is minus 11 degrees. I highly doubt that. In fact, I know it's not that, so I think that's quite a common bug. I've tried several monitors. This is CPU ID hardware monitor. I've tried several. Some of them don't display CPU temperature, so I thought some CPU temperature is better than nothing. So yeah, but even on MSI Combustor, it says that it's at minus 12. This camera should autofocus. There we go. So let's do a GPU burn-in. Let's do OpenGL. Excuse me, sorry. Let's do Direct3D11. MSI. Let's do MSI. Let's do. I'll only do this quickly. So the A4 4000 with the HD 7480D. It's running it quite well, to be honest, for a 30 quid APU. It's got an average of 8 frames per second. Focus. I want you to focus. Minimum 8, maximum 12, average 8. Is running at about 8 or 9 at the moment, it's flickering in between. GPU load 98%, and GPU temperature is apparently minus 8 degrees, but again, I doubt that so much. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.